Hey guys, in your Motorola phones or any stock Android phones, if you're seeing like this green square box in your phones,
Double tap to activate. Double tap and
phone
hold to long
screen
press.
started
Actions
talking
available.
like
Swipe
this
up or
means,
swipe
well, in
down
this
and
video
double
let
tap
me
to
share you
activate.
how to solve this type of problem and how to fix permanently. Well, firstly, if you're seeing like this
Facebook.
green square
Controller.
box and talking
Double tap
screen
to
means,
activate. Double
to
tap and hold
stop
to
it
long press.
immediately,
Actions
the
available.
easy
Swipe up
way
or
is
swipe
that
down.
in your Motorola or any stock Android phones, so you have to just press and hold this volume up and down key continuously for 2
Sound settings.
seconds. Just to do this simultaneously, you will see the talkback turned off, that notification here. Now your smartphone started work as usual, and in case if you can't able to press and hold both volume up and down keys means one time lock the phone and again unlock it and again try it. Now after done this, to solve this permanently, just go to the settings and here click on the accessibility. Now here click on the talkback. Now here is the option talkback shortcut. Just to disable this option, and that's it. Now this is the permanent way to stop this type of issues in your Motorola phones or any stock Android phones. So hereafter you will not see any green square box or talking screen like that in the future. Well, that's it. Hopefully if you like this video, hit the like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.